This video you're going to watch today is about vibe coding. If you're watching this and you feel like AI is confusing or intimidating, I'm going to break it down so simply that anyone can understand. Hey execs, it's your boy Trey Cooper and welcome back to the C-Suites. Now, let's start this. Vibe coding is not really a technical term, but it's just a way that I could explain it how people are usually using AI. Vibe coding means you don't really need to be a coder and understand all the big words and really understand anything. You just kind of have to have a general vibe of what you want, hence the name vibe coding. So a lot of people think AI is about coding. It's not. AI is about communication. So if you could explain your idea, AI could build it. That's vibe coding. All right, let me explain it another way. Traditional coding is like learning a whole new language. You have to learn rules, syntaxes, structures. Vibe coding is more like, having a conversation. You just say what you want and AI helps you get there. Now, let's talk about why this matters. Most people don't even get started with AI because they think they're not even smart enough, which that is not true at all. You are definitely smart. Most people simply just weren't taught. Vibe coding removes the fear. It lets you focus on your ideas instead of the code, really. So now let's break down what's actually happening. When you talk to AI, it's not thinking, it's predicting. It looks at your words in the context and guesses the next best response. That's why clear instructions matter. This is important. Vibe coding works best when you're very specific. Not perfect, just clear. For example, instead of me saying, build me an app, you say, build me a simple app that collects names, emails, and saves them to a list. That's vibe coding. You're not coding, you're directing. Now, let's talk about prompts. A prompt is an instruction. That's it. It's not magic. The better your instructions are, the better your results and outcomes. And I can do a whole video on prompting and prompt engineering. Just let me know down in the comments if you want that. But this is where most people mess up. They talk to AI like it knows what it already wants. They talk to AI like it knows what they're thinking. It doesn't. It was trained on a lot of other data, not what's in your brain. So you have to tell it exactly what you want, who you are, what you want, and how simple you want it. That's the vibe. Now let's connect it to real life. I use vibe coding to build workflows, automations, voice agents, systems, and websites. And not by writing thousands of lines of code, but by explaining what I want step by step and prompting it in a very specific way. That's why my engineering background helped. I already knew logic, so if this happens, then do that. And AI just really speeds this up. But here's the key part. You don't need to have my background to vibe code. You just need to be curious. You just need to be willing to test things, break things, and keep trying again. And that's how you learn. Now, let me say this clearly. Vibe coding doesn't mean that you'll never really learn how to code. It just means don't let it stop you from starting. You could build first and then learn deeper later. That's just how your confidence grows. And if you're a young black man, or really any young person in general watching this, I want you to hear me and hear me clearly. It's cool to build with computers. It's cool to be technical, and it's cool to be different. You don't have to fit into a box. Tech is power and AI is leverage. And vibe coding is the door in. And this channel exists to keep that door open. So no gatekeeping, no hype, no pressure, just learning. If vibe coding made sense to you, drop a comment and say vibe. And if you're new to AI, don't feel like you're behind. Start simple, ask questions, test things, really just start to use it. So if you gained any value from this video, please like the video, comment, and subscribe. Join the C-Suites Discord to get into the community. And here at Stay Starving, we have a motto. And if you're a top exec, you already know. They locked in, they invested, and stay starving.